2 months, I have owned the Meta Quest Pro. A device that, I'll be honest with you, being a Quest 2 owner, I didn't think I was ever going to buy. When I first saw this come out for $1,500, I said, ha! That's a joke. That's a joke and a half. I'm not doing it. I actually try to look at specs and just add it to my cart. Just buy it again live on video. But no. When I first saw the stuff about it, I was like, there's no way in heck. There's no way in heck I'm buying this. I have the Quest 2. If you look at it on paper, it doesn't seem like it's that much more impressive, so that's better. Yes, at the end of the day, I will tell you right now, being a Quest 1 owner, a Quest 2 owner, a Oculus Go owner, and a Quest Pro owner, this is so much better than the Quest 2. It's not even a question. This is literally my daily device I use every single day. I use this device when I use my cell phone. And I'm a content creator. That is crazy to say, but it is what it is. I love this device so freaking much. And what's funny is, just going through here, the controllers are showing off the controllers in this, right? I do not use the controllers. So you can actually use hand tracking in this, so it tracks your hands while you're doing things. All you have to do, in order to enable it, by the way, is just put your controllers down at your side, and your hands become your controllers. I like that a lot better than the actual controllers. The controllers are good. Don't get me wrong. I like it better than the Quest 2 controllers. No longer do you have to use a battery. Now it's just, pretty much like a PlayStation 5 controller. You can actually, well, yes, a PlayStation 5 coming from an Xbox, because you don't have to use batteries anymore. You can just go ahead and plug and play right away, no problem at all, right? You just charge up the batteries, or you charge up the controllers, and you're ready to go. So I've been using my hands, not the controllers. Now I'll tell you one thing, though. I hate the docking station. I absolutely hate the docking station and the fact they give you one charging cable for the controllers. I don't use the controllers, but you need the controllers when you first start it up to actually get stuff done. And the fact that they do not include 2 charging cables is the most annoying thing in the world. Because you can buy another one, but it's like $60. And I'm not buying another cable for like $60. Okay, I'm not doing that. And the docking station is trash. I know there are a lot of people who love the docking station. And don't get me wrong, I understand the, point. If the docking station is pretty simple, the design is you can put the controller down right here, and then the controllers go like here. So, I'm sorry, the docking for the whole headset goes down, and then the controllers go behind it. It's trash. It's absolute garbage. Because when you put the controllers down, for some reason, I can never get them to charge correctly on the docking station. I get the headset to charge correctly, because the headset's pretty obvious. The headset, there's actually 2 little prongs for the headset. Let me see if I scroll down here if it's going to show me. Here it is. This part, right? And why is it? Wait, hang on. Oh, that's for that, okay. Can I zoom in? I can't zoom in. This makes sense. Like, this is a headset part. You put the 2 little things down the prongs. That works perfect. No problem. Never had an issue. This little stupid circle thingy. You had to fit both the controllers on that little circle. So how you do it, you do them diagonal. And there's like there are little prongs on the side of the controller, plus on the side of the actual thing there. And to line it up. I can never do it correctly. And half the time I charge my controllers, I'm not actually charging my controllers. I think I am, but I'm not. And then I go to use the headset, and then bam, I have now at this point, I just charge one controller when I'm not using, like I'm recording videos right now. I have my headset charging right now with one controller charging. In about an hour or so, I go over, switch the controller, charge the other controller. The battery life in these controllers are actually freaking amazing, so I do like that. The headset battery for a VR headset is actually pretty dang good. Nothing to write home about, but it's pretty okay. And again, I love this headset. It's just a little bit of things I don't like. And it's the docking station, and it's, again, just the fact it comes with one cable. Can you buy another cable? Yeah. For $80. Wait, hang on. Pro docking. Oh no, this is the docking station. How much is a cable? Can I not? I know you can buy another cable. Cause it literally they send me emails like freaking once a day at this point about, hey, do you want another cable? $60. I don't know where you buy the other cable from. Yeah, I don't know where you buy the other cable from, but whatever. It's so annoying. Now, outside of that problem, with the obvious in the room, right? With the problem being, oh yeah, and again, you can't just use a regular USB-C cable. You have to use this priority, whatever cable right here you can see on your screen. And it's a little circle at the end, which it just clicks onto it. So it works out fine. It's a perfect connection. There's no problem at all. Other than that, though, I have prescription lenses for this headset. I had the light blocker, and now when I have prescription lenses in, take my glasses off, the light blocker, so perfect. I mean, literally is darkness when you go in a headset. And that's what it should be in VR. And the Quest 2, it was good. It was decent, right? But it never got there. It never got to that point. This gives you to that point. The headset on the back, the headset in general, I love the feel of it. I know that some people have issues with it, like burning their foreheads. I have no issues with that. The Quest 2 headset, unless you get the upgrade, you can get the upgrade on Amazon where you get a new headset and you get a new back bracket and you can install it into your Quest 2. That actually, that hits a little bit. That's actually pretty good. But when it comes to the original OG Quest 2 headset, which is just a strap, is garbage. It's front heavy, and it's a strap. It's not going to work. This fixes all those problems. It's comfortable to wear. The lightness blocker is perfect. I said this before in my last review, but you might have seen it. The pass-through is phenomenal. You know, you're not looking through a gray pass-through now where it's all black and white, and you feel like a dog. You actually feel like you're looking real life. You can walk around, you can function, you can do things when you're in the pass-through feature, and it's not just, oh, when I'm VR, I'm stuck. You're not stuck anywhere now. You are fully able to do anything you want, which I like a lot. I really think that's a huge selling feature, is the AR/VR side of this. This is a great headset. At $1,000, I would have bought this the second it came out if it was $1,000. But at $1,500, it was way too overpriced. It was not worth the money, and I just couldn't go after it. But now at $1,000, and I know there's some places you can get even cheaper. You can get used for like $800, $900. This is a absolute slam dunk headset. Now, obviously, we're eventually going to get a Quest 3 come out sometime, probably in the next year. And that's going to be the real competition, I would say. But at the same time, though, here's how I feel about the Quest Pro, right? And I'll say it like this, okay? I'm going to say this because this is my only caveat. I love the device, but it kind of, I feel like should have been better. Now, there's not much more you can, quote-unquote, make better unless you make the device like freaking $7,000, right? But it's better than the Quest 2, right? It's what the upgrade in the Quest 2. But when I first got it, and this is my personal opinion, when I first got it, I thought I was going to go from like, you guys know GPUs, it's like going from a 3090, a 2080 Ti to, at the time with the 20 series, a Titan card. That's what I thought it was going to be like. Like, this is your 2060, 2070, 2080, the Quest 1, 2, and 3. Or sorry, the Quest 1 and 2. This is, it would be like a 2070, 2080, 2080 Ti for Quest 1 and 2. And then Titan. That's the Pro. That's what I was thinking. I will tell you right now, I love the device. Absolutely amazing device. I thought it was going to be more powerful. I'm not going to lie to you. I thought it was going to be like a Titan device. It's very powerful, but I thought it was going to be like a Titan device. And I thought what they were doing with this, with the Quest Pro, when I first even heard about it, was I thought, okay, you're going to have the Quest 2, right, is going to be like, okay, well, this is the powerful VR headset, but more budget-friendly and, just not crazy, right? This is a good headset, right? And then you had the Pro, which is like the, Titan headset. And I thought the Quest 2 was going to be $2,000 when I first heard about it. And I was like, I'm not buying the $2,000. I'm not buying $1,500. But I thought that was going to be like the Titan. That's like the insane headset. And the thing is, the fact of the matter is, the VR industry has not gotten to there yet, right? We're not to a point where you can really put out two headsets and say, this headset is so much better than this headset. You could say this headset's a little bit better, but not to a point where it's like crazy better until we get into $7,000, $8,000 range. Eventually, one day, VR will cost almost nothing. It's the same thing with 4K 1080p. One point, 1080p cost like crazy money. Now it costs nothing. 4K at one point cost crazy money. Now it costs nothing. 8K right now costs crazy money. One day it will cost nothing. We're going to get to that point where VR eventually costs a lot less. But at this moment in time, I love this headset. I can't recommend it enough. If you are looking for a headset that, in my opinion, right? Because when I bought the Quest 2, my initial thoughts and opinions was, I'm going to buy a Quest 3 eventually, right? Eventually, I'm going to upgrade to a Quest 3. I'm going to eventually get a new Quest 3. With the Quest Pro, you don't, because again, keep in mind, if a Quest 3 does come out, which it probably will come out, it's going to be lesser quality than the Quest Pro, right? So if you get a Quest Pro, you're really investing in the fact that until they make another Quest Pro, you don't have to worry about getting another headset, which I do like. Other qualities I love, it's not tethered. I own the Rift S, guys. I own the PS VR, the VR 1 and 2. I don't like tethered headsets. I don't. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the fact I can put a 4090 and connect a 4090 to a headset. That's awesome. That's great. But at the same time, I don't want a tethered headset. I want the freedom of doing whatever I want to do, go around wherever I want to go around, kind of move around, like function around, and not have a headset tether me down to one thing. It is what it is. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.